Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Clash Royale on PC without an emulator. Many players seek a larger screen, more precise controls, and an enhanced strategic overview. Achieving this without a traditional emulator involves some clever, modern approaches, which we will explore today. Our goal is to provide you with a seamless and enjoyable experience, letting you engage with the game in a completely new way, far beyond your phone. Clash Royale is designed for mobile, typically requiring an Android emulator to run on a computer. However, without an emulator implies using alternative methods like cloud gaming or screen mirroring. These innovative solutions bypass the need for a separate operating system simulation. They offer direct ways to experience your game, focusing on accessibility and minimal setup for your convenience. Cloud gaming services are an excellent option, allowing you to stream Clash Royale directly to your PC. These platforms run the game on powerful remote servers, sending the video feed to your screen. This means you do not install the game locally, eliminating compatibility issues and storage concerns. Services like Bluestacks or NVIDIA GeForce now can provide a smooth experience, assuming you have a stable internet connection of at least 25 megabits per second. Another effective method involves screen mirroring or casting your phone's display to your computer. Applications such as a Power Mirror or Wondershare Doctor Phone allow you to project your phone's screen in real time. This approach means your actual mobile device still runs the game, but you interact with it visually on your PC monitor. You will need a USB cable for a stable connection or a strong Wi-Fi signal to ensure minimal lag.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.